Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited. We're going to be doing a Filipino breakfast. I'm super excited about this video. I've been wanting to do this video for a while. My ex used to make me a Filipino breakfast. He actually was half Filipino and he lived in the Philippines almost his whole life, I think. So basically it's like frying some spam, eggs, and rice. So let me show you how it's done. Alright, I have some rice cooking right now. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to slice this spam. Alright, next we're going to crack 2 eggs and make scrambled eggs. We're going to sprinkle some salt, some pepper, Alright, here is your Filipino breakfast. Alright guys, here it is, Filipino food. You're going to give this a try. Super excited guys. Now how my ex did it, he put the eggs and rice together and I can't remember if we did scrambled eggs or we did eggs over, I think we did eggs over easy. He liked his egg runny. I just love scrambled eggs, so he just would mix the egg in the rice, like really like a scramble. Let me know if you guys had a Filipino breakfast. How do you eat your eggs and rice? Do you eat it together? So that's what we're gonna do. That is so good. Wow. Really tasty. We're drinking some coffee. It's like a regular coffee. This cup in Santa Barbara. I love this cup. It's just really cute. You guys are new to my channel. I live in California in the Bay Area. Santa Barbara is kind of in Southern California before you hit LA. And I really like Santa Barbara a lot. It's a beach town. It's not as crowded as LA or San Francisco. It's just really mellow and they have a lot of outside seating, which I really do like. I love outside seating restaurants. I always have. It's just really nice to eat outside. I feel like if you eat outside, it's like less quiet, you know? So yeah, I don't know if I told you I live, I told you I live in the Bay Area in San Francisco. Let me get a knife. If you guys are wondering, I'm using this fork because when I do videos with the real fork, it scratches the plate and I've got some complaints about it saying it's too loud, and so that's why I'm using this wooden fork. I do have real forks, by the way. But yeah, so if you're new to this channel, I will be doing more Filipino videos. This is my first video. I'm not sure if it's the first video I want to post, but I'm going to be doing a little Filipino challenge. Planning to do like 2 months every Friday uploading Filipino videos. Just want to see if my subscribers will change, and I also want to get, you know, fresh subscribers. My highest views on my videos are the Filipino videos. Jollibee is really high. I went to this Filipino restaurant in Oakland, California, and that was my highest view. So if you're new to my channel and you like Filipino videos, I have a bunch of Jollibee and Filipino restaurants. Me and my mom and brother, we went to this Filipino restaurant. We ate together at a restaurant and filmed it inside a restaurant. It was a pretty cool video. So I have a few Filipino videos as well. I'll be doing a lot more as well. Now with the Spam, I'm not sure what my ex did. I think he might have ate it with the eggs and the rice. I'm not really sure. But it was good. Yeah. I'll try it with the rice, eggs, and an egg. Let's see here if that, just see if that would try it together. Rice, egg, and Spam. Good. So yeah, I think for my 8 videos, I'm going to film a couple of Jollibee videos. They have a lot of like chicken, spaghetti. That's my go-to. They have burgers and chicken sandwiches. I also want to try some pastries, like maybe a Filipino cake or a Filipino pie. You know, Filipino pastries. I want to try that out. So I might do a couple of those. I'd like to do some cooking videos. I know this was a cooking video. Maybe like a cooking video of a simple Filipino dish. And a couple of Filipino restaurants. If I can get 8 videos, I'm sure I can get 8 videos out of that. There's a lot of Filipino restaurants in my area that I checked that look really good. So if you have a request for any Filipino dishes, let me know. Yeah, so I'm excited for this challenge. We'll see what happens, how many subscribers I get. This is good. Yeah, I live in the Bay Area, so if you guys recommend any restaurants in the Bay Area, let me know. I'm willing to do that for you. No problem. So yeah, today is Sunday as I film this. A little bit of late breakfast. I think it's around 11 a.m. I recently started putting my hair back and people seem to like it. So if you watch my older videos, my hair will be with a sort of really bushy hair. My hair is getting really long, so I think it looks really good back like this. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. More Filipino videos coming soon. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Peace.